Terra Classic community deters 8 million USTC burn proposal, and what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So let's start with the Terra Luna Classic community rejects 8 million USTC burn proposal. Terra Luna Classic community has now rejected 3 USTC burn proposals, as the latest proposal to burn all USTC in the community pool failed to convince the community that it's a prudent course of action. The move comes amid a narrative to burn 800 million USTC from Risk Harbor multi-sig wallet, which sits idle as the project lost the keys and has agreed to blacklist the wallet. The community seems to be looking at developments after the community approves the new developer group Genuine Labs to work on the chain. Proposal 11958, burn 8 million USTC directly from CP, was officially rejected by the Terra Luna Classic community. The proposal aimed to burn all USTC in the community pool through a spend proposal to burn address. Currently, the community pool has 8.11 million USTC and 3.61 billion Lunc, as per StakeBin data. The proposal especially saw denial by validators, as a number of top validators voted no during the governance proposal. The community believes the funds must be used for development purposes of the Terra Luna Classic chain and provide liquidity support in projects. CoinGape earlier reported that the motive behind the proposal is to burn all USTC in the community pool, as they are not currently required for community initiatives. The community pool has a substantial amount of 3.61 billion Lunc. This is enough to cover the on-chain activities and manage other costs. By taking the initiative to burn this amount of USTC, we demonstrate our commitment to self-sufficiency and the responsible management of community resources. This action not only aligns with our community's vision for deflation, but also sends a powerful message that we are proactive in shaping the future of Terra Classic, said Vegas Morph. With this Lunc price tumbled 22% amid the massive market-wide liquidations this week. The price is currently trading at 0.30's $130, with a 24-hour low of 0.30's $116. However, trading volume has increased by 50% in the last 24 hours, indicating interest among traders. Meanwhile, USTC price trades at $0.028, up over 2% in the last 24 hours after a drop of over 20% in a week. The 24-hour low and high are $0.025 and $0.034 respectively. Now let's talk about Lunc burns 100 million tokens. Terra Classic has stepped up its game at the start of 2024, showing its deflationary characteristics. Not only did it prove the token's commitment to re-establish the network, but it also had a positive impact on Lunc's price action. Luna Classic HQ, that posts updates related to the Terra Classic ecosystem, mentioned that the blockchain burned 100 million Lunc tokens on the 1st of January 2024. AMB Crypto's look at Lunc metrics data revealed a similar story. Notably, Lunc's burn rate witnessed a massive spike during this period. Thanks to the high burn rate, Lunc's circulating supply dropped to 5.85 trillion at press time. A similar trend of spiking was noted in terms of Lunc's price action as we entered 2024. At the time of writing, Lunc was trading at 0.30's $130 with a market capitalization of over $845 million, making it the 84th largest crypto. While its price surged, its open interest also shot up. For the uninitiated, a hike in this metric increases the chances of a continuation of the current price trend. Nonetheless, development activity around the blockchain dropped substantially at press time, a negative signal. Though the above metrics looked bullish, AMB Crypto's look at its daily chart pointed out a few bearish indicators. For example, the Bollinger Bands revealed that Lunc's price entered a less volatile zone. Additionally, Terra Classic's relative strength index was resting below the neutral mark, increasing the chances of a price decline. USTC also registered price gains. CoinMarketCap's data revealed that USTC was up by more than 4% in the last 24 hours. At press time, it had a value of $0.033 with a market cap of over $302 million. Now let's discuss latest Lunc price drops 20%, and why did it happen? Despite a tumultuous 2023, which saw Terra Luna Classic delisted by major exchanges, Lunc has mounted a resounding comeback. Yet, amid a 20% price drop, is Terra Luna Classic going to zero? Upside price action appears to have been invigorated by a quick-fire burn mechanism that has been inducing a continual reduction on Lunc total supply. Indeed, in the past 24 hours, more than 150 million Lunc has been burned. However, the downtick in price comes amid increased woes for Terraform Labs founder Kwon, who last week saw a judge rule in agreement with the Securities and Exchanges Commission that Kwon violated the law. With price action hammering the bottom of the channel, Terra Luna Classic is currently trading at a market price of $0.30's $117. This comes as price retraces from upper trendline resistance at $0.30's $279 in a month-long bleed-out that has seen price tumble a worrying 64%, leaving price action perilously on the edge of slipping back into rock-bottom price levels. Moving averages have played a significant role in the downside price action over the past fortnight, with Lunc losing supportive footing from the 20 DMA on December 15th. This has seen the 20 DMA flip to resistance, forcing a descendant capstone that has pushed price downwards. Meanwhile, the 200 DMA is still reflecting the recent uptick recovery, showing continual but gradual ascendance at $0.30's $894. A crucial local support at $0.30's $115 now stands as the last hope of desperate Lunc holders who fear a return to capitulation. Yet a glimmer of hope emerges from the RSI, which has cooled down significantly over the retracement move, now showing serious oversold bullish divergence at 35.31, suggesting price could soon resume upside movements. But this is contrasted with negative sentiment from the MACD, which is displaying bearish divergence, highlighting the fleeting momentum. Overall, Terra Luna Classic looks weak here, with rally structure on the verge of collapse amid awful project fundamentals following the Kwon court ruling. To the upside, this leaves Lunc targeting a recovery to higher support above $0.30's $135, while downside risk could see Lunc plummet down to lower price range at $0.40's $805. This leaves Terra Luna Classic facing a risk-reward ratio of 0.51, suggesting a weak entry dominated by downside risk. But while Lunc offers an unappealing entry, a rapidly growing Bitcoin cloud mining project is emerging as a potential breakout Bitcoin halving play. And now about latest Lunc price prediction for 2024. A recent proposal voted on by the Terra Classic DAO decided that a quant team should begin working on repegging the Terra algorithmic stablecoin, which has been rebranded to USTC. If this can be achieved, it would be a significant development, helping to restore faith in its ecosystem amongst the crypto masses. However, if the quant team discovers it is impossible to repeg USTC, it could cause the Terra Classic community to lose hope in the project's future. Nonetheless, there are countless other ongoing developments in its ecosystem. Terra Classic has retained a respectable market cap and a vibrant and loyal community. It boasts 1 million Twitter followers, 85K Telegram members, and regularly appears in media headlines. Consequently, many projects have chosen to build on the blockchain, such as Backbone Labs, TFM, and Station. However, the adoption of the Terra Classic chain has curbed recently, gaining less than 200K new accounts in the last 10 months. In the months prior, the number of accounts on the network spiked significantly, showing much of the buzz around Terra Classic may be from investors looking to cash in on a cheap coin, with Terra Classic's reputation tarnished, so it remains to be seen if adoption will pick up again. Still, as the crypto bull run is expected to occur in 2024 and the Terra Classic team is putting in much effort to reignite the blockchain's success, we see a future for the project. Therefore, our Terra Classic price prediction forecasts a minimum price of $0.30's $157, a maximum price of $0.20's $14, and an average price of $0.20's $118 by the end of 2024. So what do you think about the Lunc price rise today? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.